Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a little different. It's just kind of a shorter thing, not really going through a lot of 3D printing stuff. We're just going to talk a little bit about the channel today and some changes that are happening and going on in the world with Rise 3D printing. So this year has been amazing. 6,000 subscribers we hit. Wow. I'm amazed that we've hit that number. So keep on watching, guys. Keep hitting that like button. Keep subscribing if you're new here. But I also kind of wanted to reach out to a few new changes that have happened. So one thing that has happened is if you look down next to where the subscribe button is, there's now a join button. So we've launched our membership finally. There are 4 tiers starting I think at $4.99 and going all the way up to $19.99 that you can join with all kinds of different various perks. So if you guys are interested in helping the channel, helping us keep growing, getting more choices in helping select the models, getting some behind the scenes stuff, some member only polls and comments, and a little bit more connection talking with me and stuff like that, definitely consider joining the membership. It helps us out, helps us grow, helps us keep doing cool and new awesome things on the channel. So go check out the membership. It is now officially launched. It's down there. Hit that join button. You'll see the 4 tiers and all that cool stuff. So really appreciate that. So, and your consideration of that. The other pieces, if you look a little further down under the description, you're going to see the Rise 3D Printing Shop.com and several items that are for sale in the shop listed down below there. So a lot of this stuff is models that have come through the channel. You've seen them on the stream. We finished them. And if you're interested in owning just some kind of cool sci-fi and stuff like that, go out there and check out the shop and consider picking one of these up for you that you've seen me work on this channel, and it's kind of fun. So that consideration also is pretty awesome, and I appreciate you guys doing that. Also, out on the community tab of the channel, if you're interested, there's a poll for what ships are we going to do on stream next. So the poll consists of the Constitution refit, which this is resin. These are both 3D printed in full resin, or the Sovereign class Enterprise E style Federation starship. So go out there, make sure your vote is placed, because I plan on starting those at the beginning of the year. The Pegasus only has 2 more streams left till she has to, well, 2 more weeks worth of streams till she has to be done. There might be some extras. Keep your eyes open. Make sure that notification bell is hit to kind of keep an eye on what we're doing with the channel and stuff like that. So that's the new cool things that are going on out there. I just wanted to kind of do a brief video and touch on it. I appreciate everybody that's hit that subscribe button. If you're new here and catching this video, make sure you go hit that too, as we continue to do work on cool 3D printed projects and still work on learning 3D printing. So thank you guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.